Today we're going to talk about narrative design. So here's the outline that we're going to talk about in our presentation. The first one is we need to know is what is the narrative design and when to use it and how it developed. And we also need to know how to identify the types of narrative research. And the third one is most important one. We need to know how to describe the key characters of narrative designs and understand the steps used in conducting narrative research and list criteria for evaluating a narrative study. Now we're talking about what is narrative research. So narrative research is focused on individual experiences. So narrative research is gathering data through the collection of stories, reporting individual experiences, and discussing the meaning of it. Actually, the narrative research can focus on more than one individual, but it has to be the individual and personal experiences. The second one we should know about the definition is it's a qualitative research. We use narrative research. We use narrative research when someone is willing to tell his or her personal experiences, and we are willing to report it. So it is to provide a voice to an individual who wants to be heard. And secondly, when stories are in a chronologic events, and then we should use the narrative research. Go. How narrative research developed. So narrative research are embrace all of the human sciences so that this form of research is not the province of any specific field of study. And narrative research emerged in 1990. So, and within the field of education, there are three factors that influence the development of narrative research. The first one is increased emphasis on teachers' reflection. Second one is more attention given to teachers and their knowledge. The third one is empowering teachers to talk about their experiences.
Now we're going to talk about the types of narrative research. There are 18 examples of types of narrative research. But for here, it's less important to know each type, but it's more important to recognize essential characters of the types.
Now there's a few questions that you need to answer to know those essential characters. The first one is who writes or record the stories. So if other people writes or record the story, it would be biography. And if the person who write and record the stories by him or herself, it would be autobiography.